Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to understand how the settings of the modify time works. You have to come up to the side navigation bar, click on the settings, and then under the timesheet, you will be able to see the modify time. This allows the team member to modify their time and activity percentage manually. For that, these are the settings that you get enabled by default once the first time the onboarding of the member or the first time the member is added to the organization. You can have the settings enabled, disabled with respect to the each member name from here. The add of the manual time, edit, delete, split of the entry, the activity percentage and the idle can be controlled from here. Next, you can do this for the department member and team all together. Let's talk about this activity percentage. Now what does this do is whenever you are adding a manual time, my user has been given a permission to add a manual time. They have been given an opportunity to add the activity percentage. Whatever the activity percentage has been set by the organization owner manager from here is the amount that the user gets, and you can increase or decrease it from here. So this was all about the modify time setting. Thank you.